Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over the highest CPM rates on YouTube. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, on this video, I want to teach y'all about CPM, and when you starting a YouTube channel, when you want to get paid, to understand what videos pay more, or if you already a content creator, just to understand what videos are paying more and how this can help you. Now, a lot of people make YouTube channels and they only make it for one thing. Like it's called a niche channel. What I did when I started Yon World in 2014, I was like, I'm gonna make it like a lifestyle channel, meaning that everything that I like, everything that I'm into, I'm gonna share it. You know, no matter what it is, if it's about Bitcoin, if it's about the law of attraction, if it's, you know, something inspirational I feel like needed to be shared, I'm gonna share it on Yon World. So on this, I'm gonna show y'all what type of videos I make and which videos pay me the highest CPM, so you can go and maybe dive into some of the categories and make your own videos, you know. So first at the top of the list, with $1,300 in revenue at a 990 CPM. And what CPM means is the cost per mile, or the cost per thousand. You know, every 1,000 views on YouTube is considered a mile. So when you get 1,000 views, it's 990. So your CPM is, for every 1,000 views, you get this video, attract $100,000 daily watching this video. This is what is called like a law of attraction type of video. So it runs high converting ads. Advertisers pay way more for slots on law of attraction, self-help type of videos. Let's go to another high CPM. $37. Max bounty. Now, any YouTube video where you teach people how to make money, if you teach people how to earn income on this affiliate marketing, or how to earn income this way, those CPM rates are crazy. Now, as you can see, for every 1,000, I didn't even get 1,000 views. I got 474 views. $37, right? The next one, $44 CPM rate, was a max bounty video. And this is again a video about teaching people, you know, how to make money online. $12, that's a high CPM rate. $12 is a law of attraction video. Again, law of attraction videos, self-help videos where you teach people about spiritual things. Like anything that could be in regards to self-realization, helping people learn things, those pay high CPM rates. And anything, you know, with teaching people how to make money also makes high CPM rates. 17. How to drive for Uber without a car. You know, again, a video how to make money, how to teach people how to make money. I get $17 per 1,000 on that. So if that ever go viral, it'll be a wrap. You know what I'm saying? And these YouTube videos stay up forever. So people can find it at any given point in time of their life. YouTube is going to remain available as one of the top websites. It's merged with the top website, Google. So it's no doubt, like when Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all of that stuff die out, YouTube is still gonna be here. So if you into social media, or even if you ain't into social media, but you into money and you want to make some money, get a YouTube channel. This is gonna be here for a minute. I saw another high, $10 is a high CP, $10 for every 1,000. Another law of attraction video. So videos where you help people make money, videos where you are teaching people spiritual stuff, those videos the CPM rates are pretty high. And just to show you, like in comparison, or like entertainment, like okay, I reposted the Jay-Z. That was powerful. I only was getting $4 per 1,000. I got 8,000 monetized playbacks. $4 per 1,000, $37. You know. So the CPM rate is higher on different videos. Emery Smith interview on free energy technology, teaching people $13 per 1,000. So yeah, you see, the highest CPM rates you can get is if you teach people about how to make money, and you will be getting $44 per 1,000 views on YouTube. So I make my channel open to where I could do everything. I don't have to be subject to one niche. I want to participate in all of the YouTube money. So this is my video for today. How to get the highest CPM rates on YouTube. You see, my average CPM for this month was $9.21. I got 197,000 monetized plays, made $1,800 this month. One of my best months on YouTube, and this is all from just taking it serious. All from, like I said, I have my YouTube channel since 2014. I just post every day. I find content. I'm waking up every day thinking about how I can provide more helpful content to the world. And if you wake up with that, the money gonna come, the ideas gonna come, and everything gonna flow for you. So I'm just making this video to show y'all the highest CPM rates, how to make good money on YouTube. It's your boy YON World. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy. I'm out. Peace.